Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Isti Vidyamoko Bombang from Gorontalo State Universitas Missouri in Chemistry Education Study Program from Class B. Here I will explain about the result of our practicum named alumina extraction from mud. Next, article alumina extraction from wood. Objection: extraction of metal oxides from wood and characterized compounds product by FTIR. Next, literature review. Extraction is a chemical separation technique from separating or withdrawing one or more components or compounds from a sample using certain temperature. So basic principle of separating the mixture by extraction is the difference in the salt life of the substance in the salt. Three are two types of salts: polar salts that can mix with water, and non-polar salts that can mix with base or oils. Methods, experimental tools, and material. 1. Tools. Category 1. Beaker glass, measuring cup, watt glass, desiccator, spray bottle, glass funnel, measuring glass, spatula, glass stirrer, Elmer, Reagan bottle. Category 2. Magnetic stirrer, analytic balance, hot plate, ham food, oven, desiccator, apparatus. Materials, general materials, dry mud, distilled water, universal pH indicator paper, tap water, tissue, filter paper, washing soap. Specific material, KOH, HCl, KBr. Experimental workshop. Method 1. Start. Detect 2.5 of dried wood that has been calcined and placed in a beaker. 15 ml. The 815 ml of 2 NaOH solution. Stirring with a magnetic stirrer from 13 minutes. Separate the sediment with filter paper. Let's transfer the filter to a 15 ml beaker. Product: bronze yellow filter. 8 to HCl2pH9. Use a universal pH indicator paper. Heat the solution to form a precipitate. Then cool the solution to room temperature. Separate the precipitate format. Product: precipitate. Puts the sediment with the salt water. Usually the pH of the water is natural washing. 10. The precipitate is heated in an oven and 110 degrees Celsius to a constant record. The final sediment must obtain the analytic with FTIR. Product: 0.1622. Method 2. Take 2.5 of calcined dried mud and place it on a 15 ml beaker. The 815 ml of 2HCl solution. Cover the beaker with a watt glass stirrer and heat the solution with a magnetic stirrer from 13 minutes in the foam hood. Separate the segment with filter paper that transfer the filter to a 15 ml beaker. Produce the bright yellow filter solution. 2 to pH 3. Use a universal pH indicator paper. Separate the precipitate formed when the filter 2 to pH 9. Menghasil a product precipitate. Mix the sweetening with the salt water until the pH of the water is not rising. Then the precipitate is heated in an oven at 110 degrees Celsius. To add constant weight, record the final semi-mass obtained, the analytical with ATIR. Product 0.0913. Discussion Method 1. Red slate with concentrate NaOH, then Al2O3 dissolves and produce alumina ions. Silicon and alumina contained in red mud will dissolve simulation. When NaOH solution is used as a salt, the reaction that occurs in the expression process is shown by the reaction equation. And silica and alumina will dissolve in alkali condition as sodium silica and sodium alumina with constant mass 13.7, 25, and 47 grams. Alumina is flexible by 8 HCl to pH 8, which is the optimum pH from aluminium precipitation. Alumina oxide is soluble in NaOH while the impurities are insoluble. Impurities can be separated through a filtering process. The main impurities in the mud usual constant of SiO2, Fe2O3, and PO2. Metal impurities can be removed by the precipitation method by adding NaOH. When 2.5 of dry mud plus 15 ml of 2 NaOH and stirred for 30 minutes will produce brown mixture, and a principal will form the filter using filter paper and produce bronze yellow filter color. The filter plus HCl2 3 is a color change from brown yellow to fade yellow because the yellow sticks to the filter paper and principal. Informed the final result is pure alumina oxide with a constant mass of 0.1622. Method 2. In a method 2, the salt used is HCl. The addition of HCl to the dry mud will dissolve the alumina while the silica will remain in the mud. Alumina in the red mud will like dissolve HCl but in high and low concentration. The reaction that occurs are the reaction that occurs between this alumina oxide with HCl will produce AlCl3, salt system to be exit when 2.5 grams of dry mud plus 15 ml of 2 HCl and stirred from 13 minutes will produce a brown mixture, and a principal will form the filter using filter paper and produce a clear yellow filter color. The filter plus 2 NaOH. There is a color change from color clear yellow to deep yellow, and a principle is affirmed. The final result is pure alumina oxide with a constant mass of 0.003 grams. Consolation from the alumina extraction experiment from the mood. Then heat be carved out, it can be consolidated. Then the red mud or salt contains mineral in the form of silica and alumina. Alumina has an oxide in the forms of alumina, but is uncultured and it can be soluble in alkali or acid salts. The result of the alumina extraction experiment in method 1 obtained a constant mass of 0.1622, and method 2 obtained a constant mass of 0.0993 grams. So many video for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.